If you're a landlord or a tenant, one mistake you cannot afford to make is misunderstanding the type of tenancy you are dealing with. Because in law, your rights and how a tenant can be removed depend entirely on that classification. Let me break this down briefly. First is the tenancy at will. This arises where a person occupies property with the landlord's permission, but without a fixed term. It can be terminated at any time. However, the law still requires a 7-day notice to quit before recovery of possession. The second is periodic tenancy. This is the most common type: monthly, quarterly, or yearly tenancy. It renews automatically with each rent cycle. To terminate this type of tenancy, proper notice is required. For example, a monthly tenant is entitled to 1 month's notice, while a yearly tenant gets 6 months. The third one is a tenancy for a fixed term. This is straightforward. It runs for a specific period and ends by a fluctuation of time. Once the term expires, no notice to quit is required. What the law requires instead is a notice of intention to recover possession. The fourth one is statutory tenancy. This is where a tenant remains in possession after the tenancy has ended, even against the landlord's wishes, but is still protected by law until properly evicted through court. Now let's talk about something many people confuse with tenancy: a licensee. A licensee is not a tenant. A licensee is simply someone permitted to occupy a space, like a lodger or someone staying in your home. They do not have exclusive possession. They share facilities and they can be asked to leave with minimal notice. The key point is this: your rights as a tenant and your landlord's power depend entirely on the type of tenancy you have. If you get that wrong, you may either leave too early or be evicted lawfully without realizing it. And as a landlord, before you issue a notice or attempt eviction, ask yourself, what exactly is the legal status of this occupier? Because getting it wrong can cost you time, money, or even your court case. I'm Oki Achika with Advice Partners, guiding you through the law properly.